When an agency manages content for multiple clients, it can be difficult to keep track of what is in progress, what is waiting for review, and what requires attention. In Easy Content, you can organize each client as a separate project, giving agency owners a clear overview of the entire content creation process. On the project page, you can see all the projects you're working on in one place, along with project information such as where everything is in the workflow, the number of active items, and the people assigned to the projects. If you need a more detailed view, simply click on a project. From the dashboard, you can review recent activity, assigned tasks, deadlines, and status changes. On the content page, you can see all content items currently being worked on. You can filter the list by assigned people, workflow status, due date, or template to quickly find content that you're looking for, especially when managing a large number of content items within a project. This gives agency owners complete visibility into the content creation process for every client. Manage content from draft to done, all in one platform. Learn more at easycontent.io.